Hi guys, this is MR.Z and I'm going to solve this 80 math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 1. X minus 2 is equal to square root of x plus 10. Which of the following values of x is a solution to the equation above? Okay, so we just take the square root of both parts. This is our first step. Then x minus 2 squared is going to be equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Again, this is the way, guys, how you can multiply or take the square root of this expression, square root of the first term minus 2 times first term times second term, then plus square root of the second term. Then for the right hand side, we just remove the radical sign and we are going to have x plus 10. I will just transfer these two terms to the left hand side by changing their signs. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Like negative 4x minus x is equal to negative 5x. X squared minus 5x. 4 minus 10 is equal to negative 6, which is equal to 0. Once you guys factorize it, it'll be x minus 6 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. And that will be, guys, two solutions here, two possible solutions, which are x is equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so we just need to, guys, try them for our equation. So it cannot be, guys, x is equal to negative 1. It's because negative 1, once you change the x with negative 1, it'll be equal to negative 1 minus 2, which makes negative 3. Okay, so if you are working with the real numbers, then a square root equation cannot be equal to a negative number. It must be always equal to 0 or greater than 0. That's why x is equal to negative 1 cannot be a solution for this equation. There will be only one solution for this question, guys, which is x is equal to 6, D. Answer choice D. And then next question, question 2. This is simple, guys. Square root of x squared is equal to x. Which of the following values of x is not a solution to the equation above? So we can just work with the answer choices. The correct answer is going to be A, guys. X cannot be equal to negative 4 because once it's equal to negative 4, that will be, guys, it's not possible because a square root of, if you are working with the real numbers, real number solutions, then square root equation cannot be equal to a negative number. That's why this is not a solution for this equation. Answer choice A, negative 4. Okay, so next question, question 3. Which of the following is a solution to the equation square root of 14 minus x plus 2 is equal to x? I will transfer the 2 to the right hand side. First of all, square root of 14 minus x is equal to x minus 2. Then I will take the square root of both sides. I'll remove the radical sign on the left hand side. It'll be 14 minus x, and on the other side we have x squared minus 4x plus 4. I'll combine all the terms on the right hand side, so x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 14 plus x is equal to 0. And I will combine the like terms. Negative 4x plus x is equal to negative 3x. And like 4 minus 14 is equal to negative 10. And this equation is equal to 0. And we just need to factorize it. X minus 5 times x plus 2. Negative 5 times 2 is equal to negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3. So it is equal to 0. So two possible solutions. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so we have three different statements, guys, here for this question. For the first statement, x is equal to negative 2. For the second statement, x is equal to 1. For the third statement, x is equal to 5. We can eliminate the second statement because we do not have it. Okay, so then 5 and negative 2, we can try them. So I will rewrite my equation, guys. Square root of 14 minus x is equal to x minus 2. So we have two possible solutions. One is like x equal to 5. The other one is x is equal to negative 2. We can eliminate the guys negative 2 because once x is equal to negative 2, then the equation is going to be negative 4, which is not possible. So it cannot be x is equal to negative 2. X is going to be equal to 5. Only one solution for this equation, which is statement 3. And we have statement 3, only statement 3 for answer choice C. Okay, so we have our last question left, so let's solve it. We should be careful, guys. We are supposed to write our answer, our final answer for 2x. You will write 2x in the terms of a. So, okay, so, first we take the guy's square of both parts. So 2 times square root of 2x is equal to a. And I'll take the square of both sides. And so 2 squared is equal to 4. And square root of 2x squared is going to be equal to 2x, which will be equal to a squared. And I'll divide, guys, both sides by 4. Because I need to solve the question, guys, for 2x. I will write the 2x in the terms of a. So these two simplified. 2x is equal to a squared divided by 4. Which is B, answer choice B. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.